Hello students, today we will be learning about the properties of metals and non-metals. At the very first, a quick recapitulation of what you had studied in class 8. You have studied in class 8 about the properties of metals and non-metals. Here is a quick recapitulation. Physical properties of metals and non-metals. Metals are hard and have high tensile strength, solid at room temperature. They are sonorous, good conductor of heat and electricity. Malleable, that is, can be beaten into thin sheets. Ductile, that is, can be drawn into thin wires. Metals have high melting and boiling point except cesium and gallium. Gallium can be melted by keeping it on the palm of the hand. Metals are dense except alkali metals. Osmium has highest density and lithium has the least density. Metals are lustrous, silver gray in color except gold and copper. Let us discuss some of the physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals are those substances which do not exhibit the properties of metals. They occur as solid, liquid and gaseous at room temperature. They are brittle, non-malleable, non-ductile, non-sonorous. They are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Of course, there are a few exceptions. Exceptions, as I had discussed, exception in physical properties. Alkali metals, that is sodium, potassium and lithium, can be cut using knife. They are very soft. Mercury is liquid metal. Lead and mercury are poor conductor of heat. Mercury expands significantly for the slightest change in temperature. For that, it is used in thermometers for measuring temperatures. Gallium and cesium have a very low melting point, as I told earlier. Iodine is non-metal, but it has luster. Graphite conducts electricity. Diamond conducts heat and has a very high melting point. Dear students, let us discuss some of the chemical properties. Chemical properties of metal, first we will be learning. Alkali metals, that is lithium, sodium, potassium, reacts vigorously with water and oxygen or air. Magnesium react with hot water. Aluminium, iron and zinc react with steam. Copper, silver, platinum, gold do not react with water or dilute acids. I will show you the reactions in due course of time for all these reactions. Now, reactions of metals with oxygen. Metal plus oxygen, that means metals react with oxygen to form metal oxides and basic. The metal oxides which is formed is basic in nature. Sodium and potassium are kept immersed in kerosene oil as they react vigorously with air and catches fire immediately. You can see the reaction below. Now, basic oxides of metals and non-metals. Some metallic oxides get dissolved in water and form alkalis. Their aqueous solution turns red litmus blue. We will be learning about these features in our coming slides. Thank you.